Phthalates are a group of chemicals used to make plastics more flexible and harder to break. One type, DEHP, was banned from baby bottles and other children's items back in 2009. Now it appears the ban has helped lower exposure to some phthalates while opening the door to others. Researchers looked at samples from over 11,000 study participants that measured phthalate levels. The samples were taken at different intervals since 2001. Exposures to some phthalates subject to the permanent ban, BBZP, DNBP, and DEHP, all went down, but exposures went up in other phthalates. In one case, DINP, which is being used to replace banned DEHP, over 100%. A growing body of scientific evidence suggests phthalates can disrupt the endocrine system, which secretes hormones, and may have serious long-term health consequences. This study shows the ban has impacted exposure to some, but not all. Bisphenol A, or BPA, and phthalates are chemicals used in the production of certain plastics, from food packaging to plastic bottles, shower curtains to toys. Both are known endocrine disruptors, meaning they may interfere with hormone systems. So researchers wanted to find out how these chemicals affect couples trying to conceive and a woman's ability to sustain a pregnancy. In one study, they examined BPA and phthalate levels in 501 couples trying to get pregnant. None had known fertility issues. All underwent blood tests, were interviewed, and were asked to keep lifestyle journals. The results showed that phthalate concentrations in men may be associated with a 20% decline in reproductive capacity and longer time to pregnancy. In the second study, 114 women in the earliest weeks of pregnancy were recruited and asked to give blood samples. The blood was later tested for BPA levels in both the women who had given birth and in the women who had a first trimester miscarriage. Women who had a miscarriage had higher average BPA levels than those who had live births, and the risk of miscarriage increased with increasing levels of BPA. The president of the American Society of Reproductive Medicine says these findings